look at this tree. Every tree has roots, a trunk, and branches. Language works the same way. Down at the bottom, deep in the ground, are the roots of English: Old English, French, Greek, Latin. These older languages feed our words. That's where our vocabulary comes from. And this is where etymology lives, the study of where words come from and what they still remember. Now, here's something interesting. In classical schools, students often spend years studying Latin, not because they need to speak it at the grocery store, but because Latin is one of the biggest root systems in English. When you understand Latin roots, you can understand hundreds of English words instantly. If you know that aqua means water, you suddenly understand aquarium, aqueduct, aquatic, aquifer, subaqueous. One root unlocks an entire family. That's one reason classical students tend to have stronger vocabularies, clearer reading comprehension, and better spelling. Not from memorizing lists, but from understanding how words are built. This year, we want those same benefits without needing a full Latin class. That is where etymology comes in. We'll learn to break words into prefix, root, and suffix. And once you see the root, you can predict the meaning, understand words faster, and learn new vocabulary more easily. Etymology is the root system of the tree of language. Now take a look at the trunk. This is grammar, the way English is organized into parts of speech. The trunk holds everything up. It doesn't give meaning, but it gives structure. Grammar helps us build sentences that make sense. Etymology helps us understand the words those sentences are made of. Finally, look at the branches and leaves. This is where language becomes expression, creativity, clear writing, and deep understanding. This is where everything comes together. Later in this unit, we'll add something called orthographic study. It's a way of studying word families, noticing how words that share a root also share spelling patterns and meaning. This trains your brain to recognize patterns so that spelling stops feeling like memorization and starts feeling like logic, like seeing the forest and suddenly being able to tell which trees belong together. So why study etymology? Because it helps you understand words from the inside out, unlock meaning quickly, strengthen your vocabulary, spell with confidence, read with clarity, and write with precision. Etymology is how we grow deep roots. Grammar helps us grow a strong trunk. And together they let us climb into the branches, where clear thought and powerful expression live. This tree is your map to understanding the whole language.